The Grooa Inspiria Learning Center is closed for the time being, but the forest starts to blossom. The grass is green, there is sunshine, and the birds are singing. Unfortunately, we're not able to have our usual retreats, workshops that often include a walk in our forest. But then I thought I'm going to share some images to bring you the nature that you could usually be able to come and experience by yourself. It feels a little bit lonely here. We've had a lot of nice workshops outside. We had mindfulness retreats. We had fun with some music and dances in the green spaces. We also had some days with mud and with rain, and yeah, we experienced that as well. How it is to be out in nature no matter the weather. Usually there is a little small pond in here. Now it's a bit overgrown and dry. After the winter we will have to clean it up a little bit. Here we could have some evening dances and then move towards an opening where we often have little exercises. Let's see, there were some branches that fell down. There was a lot of wind just a couple of days ago. I'll have to go through this. Let's see. Yeah, I'll have to clean up the path. There is the space where we usually work all together, and then after some common exercises, then everybody moves around, and there is the possibility to do something individual after the collective group exercises. This is an opening that allows us to do some common group work, and then there are different avenues that shoots out of this center. It's a small forest. It's about 3 hectares in total. Just a little private oasis. From this center part, different avenues start with the different colors, with the different types of trees, and they go around to a larger circle, which is the medium circle, and then the outer circle. There are 2 circles, and then that's it. That's a forest. Now this is the small avenue that brings us back towards the center. The soil is still a little bit humid, a little bit covered by leaves and mud, so I'll have to be careful walking around and holding the phone, trying to record some moments, and maybe also in the silence you can hear the birds. This forest has so many different types of trees, and of course in a couple of weeks they will have more green, and there'll be some flowers. We have some rhododendrons and some wildflowers around here, and so this gives the opportunity for for our visitors to practice being present, having a mindful experience of putting attention onto the five senses: what you hear, what you smell, what you touch. You can taste some leaves, you can smell the resins of the pines. You can use your touch to also to feel the ground under your feet and to touch the different surfaces of the leaves and the different trunks and plants. And here we are getting back towards the center. So until we open again, this is what I can offer. Just a little promenade, a little walk into nature. Until I can see you again.